best one, and you are it. Hi, I'm Malachi.
And I'm Elijah.
And this is our channel,
The Chung Brothers.
On this channel, we do fun unboxings. We open mystery eggs. Today we're gonna, well, not me. Elijah's gonna be opening.
Because my brother's
these
doing this
mystery
insane
boxes.
Lamborghini build.
Yeah, it's like
We said
really,
that at the
really
beginning
big.
in the video. If you haven't seen that, check that out. If it's not released, just wait until it releases to watch it.
Yeah, bye.
Anyway, see, my brother is gonna. Okay, I gotta get this centered now. Okay, it's gonna take way long. This tape on boxes will be the death of me. What on earth is this? I think it's some sort of fidget spinner. Wait one second. Wait a second. It's a mini fidget spinner on a one-wheel fidget spinner. It's really hard to. Let me read the manual. I'm pretty sure that's what you do. You know what the heck this thing is?
Looks like a fidget spinner.
On a fidget spinner.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is embarrassing. Mystery bag that it looks like it's made from some sort of leather that is not actually feeling like leather. Oh, don't do me like this. I know what these things are. They're so trippy. You don't know how they never have a point where you have to go back. This is basically what you do with them. You just fidget. And it goes on forever. You can't. Malachi, come here. I'm going to show you something. Bang.
Oh, I
Bang.
know what those are.
Bang.
Oh, I
bang,
love
bang,
these.
bang.
Let me see this.
Yeah, sure.
I love the. Oh, this is heavy.
Because it's made out of metal. What do you think? You think it was like
Oh,
made out
I
of some
like
light
this.
coppers? A totally different shape after you just shake it right here.
It's still the same shape. It's still the same
After-
shape. What do you mean?
No.
Okay. Bye.
We don't have any.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye.
No.
Oh my goodness.